What's going on, YouTube? Welcome back to another edition of Smash Cut Media, where I cover all things how to YouTube, from tips and tricks, how to get more views, how to get your watch hours, and everything in between. In today's video, I wanted to cover the new YouTube Studio features and updates that are going to help you with getting more views. So let's get right into it. All right, so I'm here in my YouTube Studio dashboard, and right here I'm going to go to my left and click on Analytics. And one of the new features on YouTube, which is going to be the first tip, is if you go right here up top to Audience, there's this new feature when your viewers are on YouTube. And this is a very powerful new tool to have, because it's going to show you exactly when your viewers are most likely on YouTube. So this is going to show you when you should be posting on YouTube. So right here, if I go to the lighter colors, it's going to go like 1 a.m. Few of your viewers are on YouTube. So if I go to the really light colors, it says very few of your viewers are on YouTube. As we start getting darker, many of your viewers are on YouTube, and the darkest right here, very many of your viewers are on YouTube. So if I scroll down a little bit more, this is a TubeBuddy Chrome extension. It tells me when I should be posting. Right here, it tells me weekly. I should be posting Thursday at 12 p.m. Now, not everybody's gonna have this TubeBuddy Chrome extension. If you're interested in this, it shows you a lot more of the analytics than your YouTube Studio. YouTube Studio is catching up, but it hasn't caught up yet. So you can click the link in my description for a free trial of TubeBuddy, and you can check that out and get all the different analytics that aren't available yet through YouTube Studio. So it tells me right here daily if I should be posting, what time of day I should be posting, and what day if I'm only posting weekly. Now, if you scroll down here and you don't have this feature yet, don't worry about it. All that means is there's not enough data to tell you when your viewers are on YouTube. For example, if you have less than 10 videos, the analytics haven't calculated everything yet. So there's not enough information, there's not enough data to show when your viewers are on YouTube. So what do you have to do to fix that? Upload, upload, upload. Speaking of upload, another tip, something you should be doing, which is not really a new feature of the YouTube Studio, but this is gonna help you out in the long run, is scheduling your recording. You can see here when your viewers are on YouTube. So let's say you have a video ready to go on Sunday, and you already passed when very many of your viewers are on YouTube, as YouTube puts it. So you passed this already. Don't list it, don't upload it on Sunday. Schedule it for Monday. Get everything right. Get your tags right. Get your cards in there. Get your end screen. Get your title right. Get your thumbnail right. Even if you don't upload it Monday, schedule it for Tuesday. Make sure everything is right. Make sure your video is ready to go. You gotta be balanced, right? The worst thing you wanna do is hold a video for too long and not release it because you're trying to get it perfect. Also, you don't wanna release it too quick to where you have content that nobody wants to watch, and that just messes up your algorithm and YouTube buries you under a sea of better creators, right? So you wanna make sure that you're right in that sweet spot. You're right in the middle. You have good content. Don't hold it too long. Don't try to over perfect it, but you want to set a schedule for your video to be released, because things happen throughout the day and you may forget, right, to post. So for example, if I'm editing a video and it's ready to go on Sunday, I'll schedule it for Monday, and I'll just go about my day regularly, and I'll post it for 2 o'clock when I know a lot of people are going to be on YouTube. So I don't even have to worry about it, and it's just automated. Another new feature on YouTube Studio is other videos your audience has watched. So right here it says not enough eligible audience data to show this report. But if there was enough data, what it would show what my viewers are watching. So for example, my channel is how to screen print, how to make your own t-shirts. So I can look right here and it would tell me other videos my audience is searching, whether they're looking for a certain product having to do with screen printing. I can see that and I can say, oh, they're watching that also. I can also make a video similar to that. Or there's something with a really good title, I can say, you know what, I can make something similar to that. So that's another good feature to have. Obviously, I don't have it right now. I wish I did. So tip number 4, traffic source types. This feature was added not too long ago, but it shows you where your traffic is coming from. So right here, it's gonna show me YouTube search, suggested videos, browse features, external, playlists, and others. So it tells me the percentage of where my traffic is coming from. So this is another cool new added feature to YouTube, how viewers found this video. If I go to content right here and I click on a video and I go to analytics, right here it's gonna tell me YouTube recommendations 35%, YouTube home 33%, up next 2.3%, notifications, subscription feed, channel pages, and other. So it's gonna tell you exactly where your viewers are coming from. And this next tip, tip number 5, is a little bit tricky to find. I'm not sure why YouTube does it like this, but I'm gonna go back to my analytics, right? So if I go right here to my analytics and then I go to content and I go to this video right here, okay, it's gonna give me how viewers found your video, but if I scroll down a little bit, it's gonna go to key moments for audience retention. So it's gonna tell me exactly where people are watching my videos, where they're zoning out, where they're tuning out, and where they're staying engaged. And this is very important because you can look at where they're staying engaged and you can try to mimic that. If you have some sort of sound effects in there, or if you're talking about something in particular, or if you're trying something new and you're trying to be funny or something like that, something you didn't do before, and people are gravitating towards that, you know you want to make more content like that. On the flip side, if you see where people are dropping off and exiting your video or fast forwarding your video, you're gonna look at that and say, okay, well, I need to stop doing that because that's not working. So it tells you right here, the intro, I have 80%, 87%, 80, and this is where it drops off 70, and then there's a dip right here. What I was talking about, which this is a little bit awkward as far as where to find it. So if I go to the same video from my analytics page and not my content tab, it's gonna give me a different view here. Right here, it changes. It doesn't give me where your audience is coming from. It shows me right off the bat audience retention and where people are dropping off. So right here, it shows where people are dropping off and where they're staying engaged. So it's showing me the intro, spikes, where people are staying engaged, and then dips. There's 9 dips here. So that's probably where it's being fast forwarded a lot. On a side note, I've made $358 off this video. Another new feature is a YouTube Studio app. This app I didn't even know about until a few days ago. So you can check all your analytics just like you can with your YouTube Studio desktop. So the last new feature I want to mention on YouTube Studio is this comments tab right here. Every comment of all your videos is on one page. So you can see everybody that's commented and you can reply from one page. So right here, this person put excellent. So you can go with the auto reply, thanks for the visit, thank you. Or you can put reply and you can type something custom in there. So right here, this person put, I just downloaded the app. Okay, no need for a reply, just hit them with a thumbs up. The same person, Christopher Weaver, shout out Christopher Weaver, because he left me 3 comments within a few days. Can this be used for heat transfer? See, this is a week ago, and I don't check this every day, which I should. So it's Canon Pixma. Okay, you get the idea. I can be here all day and going through all my comments here, but everything is on one page. If you look right here to the right, they're all different videos that I'm commenting on. So I don't have to go into each video. Even if you do get the notifications, sometimes things go on throughout the day, just like you receive a text and it just kind of gets buried, right? So this way you have everything on one page and get that done all at one time, saves you a lot of time. So these are some updates for the YouTube Studio features I wanted to fill you in on. If you haven't already, please consider subscribing. Thanks for watching. Check you on the next one.